This statement says a whole number n is prime if it's 1 less or 5 less than a multiple of 6. And we're asked for how many examples there are between 0 and 50. So we can't avoid this. We just need to write down all of our numbers between 0 and 50 that are 1 or 5 less than a multiple of 6. Okay, so I know I'm just going to start with 6 and go 1 less, 5, and then I'm just going to keep adding on 6. This will give me all of my numbers that are 1 less than a multiple of 6. I'll deal with the other ones separately. Got to keep adding on 6 really carefully. I mean, you can just check. If I add on 1, then I'll get 30. That's a multiple of 6. Then it would be 35, 41, 47, and the next one would go above 50. Okay, so that is all the ones that are 1 less. Let's look at the ones that are 5 less. So I'd start with 1, and then again, just go up by 6s every time. So 7, 13, 19, 25, 31. Again, just check. If we go 5 more, we get to 36, which is a multiple of 6. Yes, I'm not made a mistake. Then 37, 43, and 49. Okay, brilliant. So I'm looking for any numbers here that are not prime, actually, because that's what our counterexamples would be. The statement says a whole number n is prime if it's 1 less or 5 less than a multiple of 6. It's saying all of these numbers are prime. So we're looking for any that are not. Okay, let's just work our way through. 5 is, and well, actually loads of them are. 35 is not, because it's a multiple of 5. 41 and 47 are. Of course, you need to know your prime numbers here, or you have to check by dividing through by 2 and 3 and 5, etc. 1 is not prime. So actually, that is a counterexample. It's a definition, but it's considered not to not be prime. 25 is, anyone that ends in a 5, that's 2 digits will be. And then 49 is a square number, it's 7 squared, but actually all the rest are prime. So yeah, lots of them are prime, but 4 of them are not. Those 4 are counterexamples. I'm just saying one other thing, there can be other primes that are not in this form. It's just saying that they are prime if they're 1 less or 5 less than a multiple of 6. That doesn't mean that if they're, for example, 2, which is not 1 less or 5 less than a multiple of 6, is not prime. That's not really being considered in this situation. It's the implied is saying that it is going this way. Okay, whereas we're not like necessarily looking that way. Okay, so 4 counterexamples.